How you?
That's the camera?
Yeah.
What are you taking pictures of?
Everywhere.
Okay, go ahead.
Come on, give me some thumbs up.
Go ahead.
Took me longer to find parking than it did to have lunch.
That I could believe.
See you later.
You have a good day. You too. So, lost in LA, day 3. And how the hell? Okay. Now, double check everything. Everything's closed. Is this new High Street? Yeah, it is. Oh, God. Oh, what's up? Wait, oh, wait. Oops, sorry about that. My bad. What street are we on today? Okay, 4th Street. We're on Spring Avenue, would that be? Most likely. People are generally friendly. It's kind of that karma thing. You get what you give. I've already said that half a dozen times. I am one that is known for redundancy. So, what is on Spring Street? We're not too sure. Let's get out of this lane. Looks like we may have to jump on a freeway just for a little bit to the destination now after doing Valeros. Is I want to go down to Venice Beach. I don't know if I really want to go run in the ocean, but with all this equipment, I'm kind of scared to leave my stuff sitting there alone. So we're going to be doing a little bit of a touring by the sea. As long as I can keep the bike also in sight, I don't mind that. But right now, this bike is this motorbike is my life down here. So we're going to play it safe and make sure it's always in sight. Fresh seafood, La Anglo Calf. And I think that is just so funny, running across people that are selling merchandise and they don't speak English. I really think that's funny. Yeah, just like that trade show I went to in Florida. Big banner. We will teach your employees how to speak English. How's it going? A lot of fun. One back there too. Sorry?
Where did you put your video?
YouTube. R1 Chronicles.
R1 Motorcycle.
Chronicles. Chron. Okay, one way, 17th Street. Okay, oh, okay, 17th Street goes onto the interstate. That's why it didn't take us down Venice Boulevard. Okay, let's split some buses. Ah, diesel. God, that stinks. Okay, so here we go. Looks like we're interstate bound. Left lane only. Santa Monica Freeway. Okay, 5.5 miles. We got our ways yet. There's no move. Oh, this Canadian boy is starting to cool down a little bit. Okay, so is the bike. Good. We got a ways to go yet. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm just not used to this type of traffic and or heat. Now this is lane sharing, which is perfectly legal. Just don't make it look like you're flying and you're alright. Okay, 3.7 miles. Oh, I think I just got stung. Yeah. I love this lane sharing concept. Just too cool. Yeah, 2.5 miles. Yeah, you gotta watch people changing lanes. What's it's a looker. Watch out for lookers. You could just tell. He was just hanging too close to the line. He's scared. Too funny. Rider actually smoking. I don't blame him. slow it down a bit. Don't make it look like you're a crazy ass driver. Got a wing. Wondering why on that car. Okay, well, we're slowly getting there. Now, can you just imagine sitting in a car and doing this? And I understand that one guy. Well, you don't have to worry about, some guy gave me a tip. You don't have to worry about splitting too much in heavy traffic. For the most part, they're not going to chase you because, well, you just can't keep up. Now, okay, motorcycle cop, well, that'd be a little different. Imagine the Los Angeles Chips. Yeah. Oh, I wish I could remember the theme song. Imagine Los Angeles motor cops are probably a little different. And they're probably really good splitters, just on a guess. Doing it day in, day out. Okay, 23 miles. 2 miles. Venice Boulevard. Okay. This is what we want. Obviously, you did not want this. I gotta say, all these exits look pretty much the same to me. I gotta be careful there. Well, the bike like that. Cooled down on the freeway for a bit. Now, I hate to say it, time to heat the bike right back up as we get into the slow stuff, slow and bumpy stuff. So, what is this? Venice Street? Has to be, because we saw Boulevard already. There is a chip. Well, would it be a chip even on, not on the highway? I think they have to be highway patrol, not city. So it's just probably a city cop. Okay, I'm assuming Venice Beach is now just straight down the straightaway. Check the wind noise. I seem to be picking out more wind noise than I normally do. So hopefully it's doing good. Okay. Got 20 seconds. Oh shit. Okay, I'm starting to get some condensation in the front camera. Hopefully it's not ruined too much. Venice Beach, I'll pull it out, clean that sucker up. You do get around pretty slow in this city, even splitting traffic. Just too many goddamn lights. Oh, slow down for you, buddy, you don't have to run. Oh, another motorbike driver. I would have slowed down for him. gotta say, if you're planning something to do something in LA, it's probably an all-day event, because it just takes you so goddamn long getting there. Okay, what is this asshole doing? So you gotta watch these guys that ride the lines. Come on, man, move over! Watch this. Drive upside and shoot me. You know, I can understand why so many people I can understand why so many people in this city run the grade 8 handlebars. Keep your pitch nice and dry. That it would. Highly illegal. Backing out into a street. There is pretty bad drivers, I'll say that, in this city. Did he have a radar detector? Nah, I was probably eating lunch. Okay, once again, I think I gotta do my jacket up a little higher. I hate when it opens up, it starts flapping. Thank God for mesh. Oh, I hate that stuff. Blacktop, God. Okay, so what is that up ahead of us? Okay, gotta be a Harley. Type design, rear end, I think it's a Harley. Name that bike before we get up beside it. And I gotta say, California and splitting traffic, it's gonna make it hard for me to bug people at intersections. I might have to come up with a new plan for stories from the seat. Well, in LA. Yeah, gotta be a Harley. It's got the Harley rumble. Come on, man. Okay, I just can't do this. Cool boots though. Oh, Honda? Yeah, I don't think this guy's a splitter, so we might be able to bug him. Get a neutral. How you doing? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Up from Canada. Loving the weather.
Oh, yeah?
Don't you find that hot?
Oh, I've had it since high school.
Oh.
Daytona Beach.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, God, this is mesh.
Yeah. What's this?
It's actually a camera.
Oh, okay, sweet.
Yeah, nose up there. I got a few of them.
Yeah.
Having a lot of fun bombing around Los Angeles.
Oh yeah, it's pretty nice, especially with this weather.
Yeah, where I come from, we never see blue sky like this. It's always cloudy.
Yeah.
So,
From Canada.
Alberta, Calgary, Alberta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So how do you like riding a bike around Los Angeles?
Oh, I like it just fine. I use it to commute. I mean, having something like yours would be better because you cut in and out of traffic.
You got her.
Easier.
Yeah.
But I'm from the Midwest, so this is kind of more what I'm used to.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Nice bike though.
But thanks, you. It's great too.
Thank you. I don't know how people drive cars in here, man.
No, it's nuts.
It is. So
The only place I'm a little scared to go is on the highway with this. People get real aggressive.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta admit, I'm an aggressive asshole myself. You take care. Okay. I'm almost assuming a new rider. Scared to go on the highways, interstates. Wow. Well, I guess better staying away from where you're scared of. But yeah, no. One day driving around in LA and I'm fitting in pretty damn good. And I smell a lot of trouble when I get back home. Okay, where's it telling us to go? Keep following the road. Okay, we got to step through. Oh. What kind of gas mileage do you get?
What?
What kind of gas mileage?
This is Italy.
How many miles per gallon?
What?
65 miles, nice. 65 miles an hour, or 65 miles per gallon. That's not bad. And I gotta admit, we got a nice little honk back there. That was pretty cool. Okay, speed alert. Careful, Scott. Careful. Okay, so here we are. We're just coming up to Venice Beach, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to stop anywhere, but I definitely will. Just grab a cigarette, cool down for a bit, maybe do some camera resetting. Okay. So this is where I wanted to come down. Venice Beach. And look at that. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Almost broke my own rule, leaving the key in my bike. Never ever do that. And just do a quick walk out here. Cool little pier. There is the famous rollerway on Venice Beach. I gotta be careful. I got a lot of shoes in the holes in these shoes, and I don't want them to fill up with sand. Oh man, you are gonna be sizzle fried in about an hour. Hide your gut, man. Hide your gut. Just beautiful. Love that smell. Ocean air coming off.